Okay guys, it's Eric Center Worldwide, an analyzing channel with motor vehicle experience, tips and lessons. So today we are going to hear, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a brake to stop when brake fails suddenly. I have explained this before, so I'm going to do a tutorial for you to know 6 basic tips that you can able to use when you fail a brake when driving. So watch this video carefully and follow the steps it will. I have experienced it before, but before we get into the business, please, if you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated. Don't forget to also share my videos and put your comment below in the comment section. It's Eric Worldwide, the only channel that analyzing motor vehicle experience, tips and do-it-yourself tutorial. So let's get into the video and watch amazing things that we have experienced in this video. Okay guys, so if you are using automatic car, this is what you are going to do. First, keep calm, don't rush whenever you are driving and brake fail. Keep calm, never rush. And tips number 2 is to on the indicator light so that cars following you at the back may see that you have problem, and they will also help you to park safely or stop safe without bad incidents. So this is tips number 2, and tips number 3 is to downshift the gear. You have to downshift the gear. We have to downshift the gear so that if you are using automatic car and it indicates like this, you have to use the second, and then this is the low gear so that the car can also decrease the speed for you to stop. And some automatic cars also don't use it. You can see they have right M plus minus here, which is formatting. So you can also use that to downshift the gear, which will also require for the car to stop safely. And then another tip number 4 is to pump the brake faster so that the car can also stop, and it will build pressure in the system so that the speed can limit for the car to stop safely. That is tip number 4. And tip number 5 is to use the handbrake by press and hold the button as it like this, small pull up, small pull up, small pull up, small pull up, and you release it. This is the 4th way of stopping a car when brake fail suddenly. And never try to pull up once like this when the car is going. That is bad and it can cause to serious accident. So put in mind and not try it at all. So this is tip number 5, and tip number 6 is to drive safely by controlling the steer and change lane whenever you want to park. This is what you have to do by grab the steer and change lane, and then the car will stop in a smooth and safely way. So this is what we have for you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because we are here to alarming you with motor lessons and vehicle experience on the way. So do so to subscribe, and never hesitate to share and like our video. We're also looking up for you to put your comment below in the comment section so that we can interact. So these are the 2 differences between manual and automatic transmission. This will enable you to use whenever a car fails brakes. Thanks for watching. See you